Tired of your YouTube shorts getting lost in translation? Or simply want to boost engagement? Let's get those captions rolling. First up, automatic captions. YouTube's AI does a decent job, but needs your eagle eye. Upload your short, then head to YouTube Studio, click on subtitles. See those auto-generated captions? Click the three dots, then duplicate and edit now. Proofread carefully. The AI isn't always perfect. Fix any mistakes in the timing and spelling. Click on any caption box to edit and adjust the timing by dragging the edges of the caption box. Accuracy is key for accessibility, so take your time checking. Want full control? Under subtitles, click add language. Then click add under subtitles, select create new subtitles or CC. Now type your lines, adjusting the timing as you go. Remember to keep captions concise. You can break down long lines into multiple boxes below. For more advanced options, try third-party apps like CapCut or Mixed Captions. These offer features like stylized captions and more precise control after captioning. You can save your video and upload it to YouTube. And voila! Your YouTube short is now accessible to a wider audience, boosting engagement and watch time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.